Well, today we are going to dive deeper into that website place and the 10 elements that you must have in order to create that website and make it absolute perfection.
You an entrepreneur, I got what you need.
Hey there, my loves. Welcome back to CPTV. I am CP, and you are in the place for aspiring and growing entrepreneurs who want to turn their passions into businesses and those businesses into freedom. Does that sound good to you? If it does, then you are in the right place, and you are going to want to go ahead and subscribe, because every single Tuesday I am giving you the training as an entrepreneur on the step-by-step business processes, structures, and systems that you can implement immediately into your business and your entrepreneurial journey in life, so that you can get to that level of freedom that you dream of, that you deserve, and that you desire. So you heard me. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. You will not regret it. And click that bell so that you don't miss any of it on a week-to-week basis. And of course, if you like it, then show me, smash that like button, and tell me what questions that you have for me in the comments below. I really love hearing from you. I need to hear from you, and I try to answer as many of them as possible. If you don't believe me, then try it. You will definitely see, because I like talking to you. So last week, we talked about the 5 marketing must-haves for your business as a new entrepreneur, because marketing is a daunting task. And one of those must-haves is a call-to-based action website, right? You remember that? Not just an online brochure type of website, but one that drives leads into your business and helps you actually sell your products and your services and build your audience. Well, today we are going to dive deeper into that website place and the 10 elements that you must have in order to create that website and make it absolute perfection. So let's get to work. Element number 1, professional photos and amazing visuals. Do you have professionally taken photographs on your website, or are they selfies and self-imposed? You want to use the highest quality photos of yourself. This demonstrates that you take yourself, your business, and your customers seriously. So don't use low quality photos taken with your smartphones. While selfies may be appropriate for IG or for Facebook, they are not appropriate for your website. So make sure that you take the time to professionally plan a photo shoot, get those professional photos done, take professional pictures of your products, take really good and even purchase some stock photos, because the visuals that you put on your website are critical. You want them to be enticing, you want them to be on brand, and you want them to be visually stimulating to keep people on that website. So, number 1 element, do it right. Don't skimp. Don't go the cheap way. Invest in good photos, because you will use them in all aspects of your marketing, not just on your website, but the website is the first place that people will meet you, and you want to make sure you're looking good when they do. Element number 2, professional looking logos and branding. Do you have a professionally designed logo and a complete brand kit chosen? A professionally designed logo helps to capture what your brand is all about. It's also a way of making sure and treating yourself like a true brand, which garners the respect of others. It shows that you are taking yourself and your business, your products and services seriously. So if you need help designing a logo or doing your brand, Fiverr and Upwork are good places to start. But consistent branding is absolutely critical. It establishes who you are and attracts a certain type of customer to your business, your ideal customer. So make sure that your website includes your logo and brand very clearly and consistently all throughout your site. Element number 3, have a clear and visible UIP or unique impact proposition. That's a CP term, y'all. Your UIP is what separates you from everyone else, and it must be clear and visible. Remember, your unique impact proposition is what describes precisely what you do and how you actually help people. Your UIP should be big, it should be bold, and it should be immediately visible when someone comes to your website. So a good place for it is your homepage. It should be above the fold, and it should be front and center. Think of it, sort of like a newspaper headline. Am I showing my age? Okay. Don't make visitors work to figure out exactly what it is that you do or what it is that you actually stand for or how you can help them. You want them to know right away that they're in the right place so that they continue to look and continue to stay. Element number 4, use testimonials and social proof. You must have several testimonials on your website as you collect them. Testimonials function as social proof for you. They prove that you really can do what it is that you've said you can do. It shows that you can effectively solve people's problems and help them experience a transformation. It's attractive. At a minimum, you should feature several key testimonials on your website. You can use your best ones, right? The ones where you've gotten the biggest results for people and people have sung your praises. You can use screenshots, you can use pictures, you can use videos, or any combination of all of the above. Just gather them all and have them ready to go. Because on your website, you will need them to encourage people to take the action that you're going to ultimately ask them to take when they are visiting you. And that brings me to element number 5. You must have a clear call to action. What is it that you actually want your visitors to do on your site? Do you want them to sign up for your email list? That's a good one. Do you want them to attend your upcoming webinar? Do you want them to follow you on social media? Do you want them to sign up for a free consultation or whatever, right? Whatever it is, ensure that it's abundantly clear what you actually want them to do. You may even want to use some sort of pop-up window that gets their attention as soon as they log in. Whatever it is, don't leave the call to action off. You have to ask your visitors to take action. Otherwise, they'll just visit and take a look around and do some window shopping in confusion, and ultimately they'll leave without buying anything. So if you are fervently taking notes right now, good. But seriously, of course, I have a free website checklist that lists all of the things I'm going over with you today with greater explanation so that you can use this checklist to actually build your site. You can grab that checklist by going to www.cherylcperez.com/website checklist. Once you have that checklist, use it to make sure that you've gathered and covered everything that you need in order to build a great website. It is going to be so helpful for you. So make sure you grab it. Okay? Good. Element number 6 for your website. Have a compelling about page. Do you know how compelling an about page can be? Your about page is both where you tell your story and where you reiterate your unique impact proposition. It's a place for you to talk about why you do what you do, why you're so passionate about helping people, why you started your business, right? Use your about page to explain how you arrived where you currently are and what your mission and your vision is. Tell everyone what your why is. You also want to use your about page to prove credibility and share your experiences. And also spend a little bit of time letting people in so that they can get to know you. As an example, I want you to take a look at my about page. You can take a look at it at cherylcperez.com/aboutcp. It will give you a great idea of what I'm talking about. Use it. I don't care. Use it as a template. It's yours. I just want you to see what I'm talking about. So make sure that your about page is written in a way that allows you to connect and will appeal to your ideal customer and client. Be explicit. Have a conversation. And the about page will take you real far. Element number 7, have a clear services page. Yes, please. Your services page should clearly list all the different services that you have to offer, even if it's one, and then add to them, as well as what's included with each of those services. Be as detailed as possible in listing what you're offering and how someone can take advantage of them. Tell your visitors how they can work with you, what they need to do, where they need to click. You may want to give clients the opportunity to sign up for a free strategy call when you describe your coaching services or consulting services. You may want to send someone out to a whole different page so that they can book with you as a speaker. Or you may want to link to an external landing page or your store so that they can purchase things from you. Whatever it is, you've got to figure out your services and make sure they are clear, give direction, are specific, and tell people how to access those services as well. Element number 8, give away free resources and content. Do you actually focus on giving away free resources? Ideally, you should give away at least some form of free resource or content on your website. It is critical. Why? Because if you want to make sure that every single person that comes to your website is getting some type of value, that you make that visit worthwhile, you want to start demonstrating your expertise right from the very beginning and right from the very first time that someone encounters you through your website. So what sorts of free resources work well? Well, blog posts or podcasts and audio interviews. You can give away ebooks or free video trainings, email courses, webinars, freebies, downloadables, coupons. The list goes on and on. No matter what you choose, make sure that you give your visitors a free gift so that they actually appreciate you and keep on coming back for more. Element number 9, links to all of your social media profiles. Your website is a great way to get more people to follow you on social media. It's true. You're going to use it to market. If a visitor likes what they see on your site, there is a very, very, very good chance that they will want to follow you across all of your social media platforms. And you're going to keep giving them content there. So include links to all of those social media platforms and profiles in prominent places on your website. You want to encourage your visitors to become fans on your social media and followers so that you can keep giving them really free content. You can keep building that relationship and you can begin turning visitors into fans and then ultimately into clients. And last but not least, element number 10, give visitors a way to easily contact you, boo, please. Obviously, you want visitors to your website to be able to get in touch with you. But I've been to websites that I'm scrolling to find out how. If you want to convert visitors into clients, it's extremely important to have a clear, compelling contact page, right? So on your contact page, you can think of all kinds of creative ways to give people access to you. You may want to give visitors different options for why they might be contacting you so that it helps you stay more organized on the back end. For example, you might have general requests as an option. You may have a working together, contact me as an option. You may have speaking requests or media interviews or things like that, right? Make it easy for someone to get in touch, to ask you questions, to facilitate the relationship, to get help, and just connect with you. I do recommend a support email over a phone number so that you are keeping your customer service capacity needs low, especially in the beginning, because phones will ring off the hook. Just make sure that they can go somewhere to actually get access to you, talk to you, and tell you what their needs are. Whew, yeah, that was some good shit. If you agree, then smash that like button for me and let me know in the comments below if you've got any website questions or challenges that you're facing. I'd love to help. And I know what we just discussed does seem like a lot of key elements, but like I said, they're very, very important, and they are very, very, very helpful as you begin to embark upon what can sometimes be a pretty daunting and stressful and overwhelming journey of creating your website. I mean, after all, it is your public facing office. So it brings a lot of stress, and it's important that you do get it right. So don't forget to grab that free checklist at CherylCperez.com/website checklist. Or you can just click the link in the comments below and in the description below, and you can grab it. And trust me, we are just getting started, boo. I told you already a couple weeks ago that for the next few weeks, we are focusing on breaking down all of your marketing must-haves that we talked about. And I know a major piece of having a good website is having good website copy to go on that website. You need compelling, converting copy, y'all. And that's exactly what I'm going to be talking to you about next week. And I'm going to bring in an expert in the field of copywriting and creating amazing website copy so that you know what to write for that website. So make sure that you join me then, same time, same place, right here on CPTV on Tuesday. And until next time, my loves, stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.